Are you inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted, and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins? This series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hello everyone, welcome to Skein Spider and to yet another pattern in the Halloween series. I think we're up to number 3 right now. Anyway, today's pattern is going to be these friendly little ghosts. So if you'd like to make one, grab your hooks and let's get started. To make this pattern, you're going to need a 3mm hook, scissors, stitch markers, a needle, pins, stuffing, and 8-ply yarn in a colour or colours of your choice. For the body, we're going to begin in white and you're going to put 4 single crochet in a magic circle for round 1. Round 2 is 3 single crochet followed by an increase. Round 3 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 4 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 6 is 4 single crochet and an increase repeated twice. Round 7 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 8 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 9 is 7 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. At the end of round 9 you should have 18 single crochet and round 10 is just going to be 18 single crochet. Round 11 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 12 is 21 single crochet. Round 13 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 14 is 24 single crochet. Round 15 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 16 is worked entirely into the front loop, so do 30 single crochet in the front loop only. Round 17 is 2 single crochet followed by an increase, and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 18 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 19 is 3 single crochet and an increase, and then 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times. Finish off with 3 single crochet. At the end of round 19 you should have 48 stitches in your round, and round 20 is going to be 48 single crochet. Round 21 is 7 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Rounds 22 through to 26 are going to be 54 single crochet. Round 27 is 8 single crochet followed by a decrease, and then 16 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice. Finish off with 8 single crochet. Rounds 28 through to 31 are 51 single crochet. Round 32 is 15 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 33 to 35 are 48 single crochet. Round 36 begins with 7 single crochet and a decrease, and then 14 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice, finishing with 7 single crochet. Rounds 37 and 38 are 45 single crochet. Round 39 is 13 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 40 is 42 single crochet. At this point, stop and secure your end and begin to stuff the body. You don't need to stuff the very tip of the head where the narrower part is, just stuff where the face will be. Round 41 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 42 is 2 single crochet and then a decrease, followed by 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times. Finish with 2 single crochet. Rounds 43 to 44 are 30 single crochet. Round 45 is 8 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 46 to 48 are 27 single crochet. Round 49 is 7 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Continue to stuff the body. Round 50 to 51 is 24 single crochet. Round 52 is 6 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 53 and 54 are 21 single crochet. Round 55 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 56 is 18 single crochet. Round 57 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. At this point, add some more stuffing to the body. Round 58 is 12 single crochet. Round 59 is 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice. Round 60 is 10 single crochet. Round 61 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice. Round 62 is 8 single crochet. Round 63 is 2 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times, and round 64, which is our final round, is 6 single crochet. Finish off and weave in your end. The arms are also crocheted in white, and you're going to begin by putting 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 12 single crochet. Round 4 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Rounds 5 through to 8 are 18 single crochet. Round 9 is 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. At the end of round 9 you should have 15 stitches in your round, and rounds 10 through to 11 are going to be 15 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. For the eyes, you're going to need your black yarn, and we're going to begin by putting 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 3 increases repeated twice. And round 4, which is our final round, is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. For the pupils, you're going to need both your white and light blue yarn. We're going to begin with the white and put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. At the end of round 2, you're going to change colours to your light blue yarn, and then round 3 is just going to be 4 single crochet in the light blue. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. To assemble your ghost, you're first going to sew the pupil to the eye, so the white part with the 4 light blue stitches to the black backing. Once you've done that, go ahead and add a pupil. When the eyes are ready, go ahead and pin those to the body. You're going to pin the tops of the eyes between rounds 24 and 25, approximately 2 or 3 stitches apart. Pin the arms to the side of the body with the tops between rounds 35 and 36, and then sew those on. To finish off, you can just add some details like a smile, some rosy cheeks, eyebrows, whatever you think looks best, and after that you've finished. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow is Halloween pattern number 4, and I will see you all then.